Let me show you how you can factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S26 without the password. In this case, we will have to go to the recovery mode. But in order to go to the recovery mode, we need to turn off the phone. And if you don't know the password, if the phone is locked, and if you try to turn it off by going to the power menu, then most likely you have to enter the password anyway. So in order to solve that, we will have to perform a force restart and then smoothly quickly switch the combination of buttons to go to the recovery mode. This is a little bit tricky, but let me try to explain as best as I can. We need to prepare a USB cable because we will have to connect our phone to a laptop or a computer, so this is another thing that you have to prepare. And you will have to plug it in once the force restart is done. So to perform the force restart, we have to press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. We'll have to hold for approximately 7 seconds until the screen shuts down on your phone. Once it happens, once the screen shuts down, you will have to connect your USB cable to the phone, and then right after that press and hold power and volume up. And once you see the Samsung logo, you just want to hold the volume up. So as you can see, it is a little bit complicated, but I think we can get right into it. So first I'm gonna press and hold power and volume down in order to force restart the phone. I'm gonna prepare the cable, and once the screen shuts down, plug it in, and then press and hold power and volume up, and then just volume up once you see the Samsung logo. And there we go. We managed to go to the Android recovery mode. In here, we navigate by using volume buttons. So use volume up or volume down to go up or down in this menu. And then once we have the wipe data / factory reset option selected, you can press the power button in order to confirm your choice. If there's like an additional instruction or instructions, then of course follow them to perform the hard reset of the device. In case you go back to the main menu of Android recovery, then after that, the last thing that you have to do is simply choose reboot system now in order to restart your phone, and then you will see the initial configuration. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.